good. Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's the first drive video of my new daily. Stage 1 tuned. So it's pretty quick. It's a diesel anyway because I want good MPG in it. So I got a new daily at a bargain price. And let me just drop a gear and disappear. Better turn off traction because traction's kicking in. Jeez. Yo, I rate stage 1 dude, blood. Yo. Yo, I'm back with the little videos, man. I had a car to make content on. My girl passed her test. She's got the Fiesta, so I needed a new daily. So I saw this car come at a good price. It's a diesel. Vauxhall Insignia 2-litre SRI, CDT or whatever. I think it's 157 horsepower or 160 horsepower stock, but it's stage 1 tune. I think it takes up to 200 brake. So the car is 200 brake now. It is kind of a sleeper, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but yo, it's a mad thing, man. It's a mad thing. It's a mad thing. So I'm about to do a video on it right now. As you can probably see, this thing's moving lit. It's good to have a little bit of speed back in my life. You know that the VXR's gone, but yeah, man, this is basically the first drive video type of video. The first drive, innit? So when I get to like the thingy roads, when I get to the what do you call it? When I get to the B roads, that's when I'm gonna switch the angle, innit? No, this thing's gone. Yo, the thing is gone, bro. Yo. Nah, it surprised me a little bit. Obviously, okay, it's nowhere near as quick as a VXR, but it's enough power as a daily with the stage 1 tune and DPF delete and all that stuff. Unfortunately, it didn't have popcorn limiter, but like, yeah, man, I'm probably gonna keep this daily anyway. It is quite a nice car. It's a big car though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's a big car. It is a big car. It's like so smooth, man. This is what I need as a daily car anyway. It's such a smooth car. But I'll see you guys when I'm back on the I'm just waffling so much. My bad. When I'm on the B roads, yeah, and I switch the camera angle, you guys will be able to see, you know, what's going on. Woo. I need to get a camera mount for my camera because I'm using my phone for this at the moment. Look, got the camera here and that. So I'm on my way now to film the reveal video of my new daily. It's a stage 1 tune, whatever, Vauxhall Insignia. It's quite a nice car, bro. It's chilled, got armrest at the back and all that stuff. It's proper nice, like daily car, like daily family type car. Like, it's so big, bro, like some parking spots can't even fit in it, bro. Such a big ass long car, but it gets down for what it is though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Jeez, I'm just glad to be back on. And also I took the air filter off earlier to get a little bit of turbo noise, and I do get a little bit of turbo noise. I'll put the windows down and see if you can hear it at all. I don't think you can. I don't think you're gonna hear it, but it's like a it's not as loud as the VXR. But yeah, man, it's quite a nice car to drive. The torque just got this thing good. The torque has got this thing gone. My days, when I tell you it's gone, it's gone. From the first to second, it's gone, but then third, fourth, fifth, it starts to run out of pop a little bit. But nah, man, the torque on this. I'm trying to think what I should do to this car. What should I do to this car? I don't flipping know. But anyway, right now I'm gonna switch angles so you can see where I'm driving from. So I'm about to pull in somewhere, so I could now switch angles anyway. There you go, finally, man. Now this is what I'm talking about. But now man stuck behind a truck and that. Man, not bad. And the temperature is staying the same, it's not going anywhere above 90 degrees. Yeah man, the car can handle it, man. I just want to get it on some twisties now. At least we got a bit of good driving in, guys, anyways. course, the VXR down there. Yeah, man, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Damn it, stuck behind like 2 trucks, bro. Gets lively, skirms about the back end. Yeah, man, not bad. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the POV there. Well, not my first drive, but it's POV first drive. Thank you. I'm gonna end it right there. Comment down below what you want to see me do to this car. If you watched the previous video is going to be the reveal of my stage 1 daily. And yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, man, literally I'm going to end the video right here, right now, and I'm about to go film the other video. And thanks for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. The VXR, hopefully we're back before the end of this month, hopefully. I can't guess a bang on about that car anymore. Those people are just taking long. It's been like almost 3 months now, filming Motorsport. I would never ever go back with them again. They're kind of taking the piss now, do you know what I mean? At first it was waiting for parts. They have parts now, and they have all the things, but they're not doing the work. Do you get what I mean? So anyways, bye.